Okay, welcome to a video that I've decided to do. I'm just trying to figure out how long it's going to take me to make a Minecraft server, which is pretty much basic. So let's get started. We need a folder. So here we go. We're going to call it MC server. Okay. In this folder, we are going to need... Here's the folder. We're going to need to go quickly onto the internet. We're going to go to papermc.io, and here is a thing. We'll go down to downloads and we'll get the latest one, which is 26.1.2. Make sure that's downloaded, and then we shall place that in there. Let's rename this. You don't have to rename it, but let's rename this to server.jar. Okay, now we're going to create a text file and call it eula.txt. Okay, inside this folder, or file rather, we are going to do eula equals true. This means that you agree to the EULA for Mojang. We save that. That's done. Now we go back to new text and we call this play. Okay, and while we're at it, we can go to there, highlight all this because that's what we need to do, and grab that. We're going to the play.txt. Now we need to write in Java XMX, let's say 12 gigabytes, that should be enough, and then a jar, and then we paste the server.jar in, no GUI because we don't want a GUI to pop up, and we write pause at the end. Then we go to file, save as, and we want to save this as a bat file. Okay, save. Okay, and then we do that. We've got the bat file. We can delete the text file, and clicking on that, we now have a server launching, and you can see in here all the good stuff is loading up in the folder, and we just wait for this to load up, and once it says done at the end, that means the server can now be joined. There we go. First time setting it up, and we are now ready to go. So if I go to Minecraft and launch the game, there are a few additional steps if you want to make this public across the internet, but on actual LAN, that is all you need to do. We go here, go to there, make sure we can select the installation of let's go to here, and we have to scroll down to 1.26.1.2. Okay, and then we type it in server and install, wait for that to install. The server is preparing. This is the thing, and we can click play, start. Oh, are we already on a game? Are we? Let's start anyway. Here we go. Here we go. Wait for the game to pop up. We don't need that up anymore. Here we go, multiplayer, and then we go to direct connect localhost because we're running it on this machine, join server, and boom, we are now in the server ready to play Minecraft Basic Vanilla. Thanks for watching, and catch you in another video.